Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat. Here we go with the 2015 Bobcat S570. Just 200 hours on this municipality maintained machine. Beautiful condition. You know, just a couple little nicks here and there. A scuff on one of the decals. This is a clean machine. Rims in excellent condition. You don't see where they've hooked. The machine has not done tear out. It's just done some maintenance on city streets. Nice straight door. Doosan power. It's got the sound kit. Not a scuff on the corners. Vertical lift boom. And it's equipped. High flow hydraulics. It's got the 7-pin. We've also got selectable joysticks, power bob attach, and that sound cab, and I mean sound insulation with stereo. So it is a nice, comfortable environment with those selectable joystick controls. You're going to notice the boom is not all nicked up or scratched. Best of care, the machine's been in every night. I don't think it's ever spent the night outside. Inside the cab, we've got the deluxe panel. I can help you enter in a code to keep your machine yours. 202.4 hours. There's the high flow, automatic idle. There you see, I cracked the throttle up and it automatically responded. Now with a touch of the joystick, we'll come back to full throttle. And if you just pause for a few seconds, it's going to idle down so you can take a telephone call, and obviously it saves fuel. Bucket positioning. It's got a suspension seat, cold air conditioning, 2-speed. It's got the float. I love this on the Bobcat. Cushioned lift cylinders. Everything sets down nice. ISO or H pattern on your joysticks. Stereo.
Band and deliver.
Comfortable machine. Just 200 hours. There's no way you can go wrong with this one. It's going to come with a bucket. Tri-State Bobcat. Give us a call on this 2015 Bobcat S570 A91 package. That's like the gold package of years past. So this one, heat, air conditioning, 2-speed, high flow, sound insulation. It's got it all. This one's loaded. Bucket positioning. You know, you could even hook a kit up on this and run this machine radio control. It'll come with a bucket. It'll be fully serviced. No downside on the machine. Give us a call. They don't come in this clean very often, but we've got them at Tri-State. Give us a call. Check the telephone numbers at the bottom of the posting, and we'd be happy to help you out. We have delivery available. We've got financing available, and we'll take care of your machine, and we'll take care of you. Thank you.